In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails using Framer. Collecting emails is a powerful way to engage with your audience, and Framer makes it super easy. Let's dive into the steps that will help you set up an effective email collection form. First, you'll want to open your browser and head directly to Framer. Ensure you have easy access to this platform, as it's crucial to keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Once you're on Framer's website, log into your account. Logging in makes sure that all your changes are saved and synced, giving you peace of mind as you work on your projects. With your account ready, go ahead and open the project you're currently working on. You'll need to create a dedicated space for your new email collection form. Do this by clicking on the Layout option, or you can simply press the F key on your keyboard to add a container. This step helps in keeping your page organized and visually clean, providing a neat spot for your form. Next, it's time to insert the form itself. Click on Insert and navigate to the Form section. Here you'll find a variety of pre-designed components that make this task stress-free. Keep your focus on the Email Sign-up section, which offers templates tailored for efficiently capturing user emails. This part is quite fun as you get to choose from various integrations like Loops, Kit, MailChimp, Wait, or FormSpark. Pick your preferred integration and simply drag the input component onto your page. Once the component is on your page, double-click it to open the settings. On the right panel, you'll come across the input layer. This is where you enter the corresponding ID or URL to connect with your chosen platform. It's an essential step because it ensures that all emails collected are stored and managed effectively. Consider what should happen after someone subscribes to your mailing list. You can choose to redirect them to a thank you page, or instead show a custom overlay. Both options serve as acknowledgments, enhancing the user experience by confirming their successful subscription. Customizing the component is where you can let your creativity shine. Adjust the colors, fonts, padding, and focus states to match your brand's aesthetic. This ensures a seamless integration with the overall look and feel of your page. Lastly, don't forget to publish your changes. By doing so, you make your form live and ready to start gathering those valuable email connections. And there you have it. Your email collection form is set up and ready to engage with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy creating.